Hi guys, today we are going to look at the liver cleaning, kidney cleaning, okay, pancreas, hepatitis A and B, okay. These health problems in our health problems and natural remedies, okay. This is how it follows: a list of decoctions, diet plan with millets, exercise, and what to avoid means what foods to avoid, okay. Coming to the decoctions first. Ruta gravelins take 15 to 20 leaves to make decoction. Okay, fenugreek seeds uh, take 25 to 30 seeds to make decoction. Okay, or you can use fenugreek leaves as well. Okay, your wish. Bryophyllum pinnatum. Okay, take 3 to 4 leaves to make decoction. Uh, Boirevia diffusa. Okay, take 8 to 10 leaves to make decoction. This is gale of the wind. Okay, take 20, 30 to 40 leaves to make decoction. Okay, last one is Indian mallow leaves. Okay, uh, take 5 to 6 leaves to make decoction. Okay, so this is the list of the decoctions, plan for the decoctions. First week you have to take fenugreek seeds or leaves. Okay, second week Bryophyllum pinnatum. Third week Boirevia diffusa. Okay, fourth week gale of the wind leaves. Okay, fifth week Indian mallow leaves. If you do not find any one or two of the above leaves, you can still continue with the remaining decoctions. Okay, let's say you do not get Boirevia diffusa in your area, leave that. Okay, after in the third week itself, take gale of the wind leaves. Okay, after the fifth week, you should go back to first week again. Okay, and you have to repeat this sequence till the recovery. Okay, uh, and one more important thing is you have to take this decoction on empty stomach. Empty stomach means if you are drinking 1 liter of water early in the morning at 6 a.m. Let's say you wake up at 6 a.m. You drink 1 liter of water. Wait for 1 hour. That is at 7 a.m. You can have this decoction. If you're taking 1.5 liter of water early in the morning at 6 a.m., wait for 1.5 hour. That is at 7:30 a.m. You can have this decoction. Okay, once you consume decoction, wait for again 45 minutes to 1 hour to have your next meal. Okay, right. Coming to the millets, barnyard millets for 3 days, kodo millet for 1 day. Okay, what is one? How to take millets? Um, you have to cook millets instead of rice. Okay, and eat this millet food only for the three times. If you are taking 3 times a day, have those 3 times with barnyard millet only. If you are having 2 meals per day, have those 2 meals with barnyard millets only, your wish. Okay, 3 times or 2 times, your wish. Okay, but those times you have to eat only barnyard millet food only, not rice or wheat products. Okay, right. Next, next kodo millet for 1 day, little millet for 1 day, foxtail millet for 1 day, browned up millet for 1 day. Okay, so eat these millets alternately for the 7 day schedule and repeat this sequence till you get recovered. Okay, and no rice, no wheat, no bread, no wheat products till the recovery. Use only wood pressed oils or bulletin oils for cooking. Okay, how to cook millets? Either like rice or make millet porridge. Cooking millets like rice, add 3 glasses of water for 1 glass of millet. Soak it for 8 hours and cook it either on a open top, not either on a open top. Cook it on a open top. Okay, right. Coming to making millet porridge, use either granulated millets or whole millets. Add 6 to 8 glasses of water for 1 glass of millets. You can also add 10 glasses of water if you want to make it more watery, no problem. Soak it for 8 hours and cook it on a open top vessel. Once it is cooked, let it become cooled by opening the lid. Tie the top using a cotton cloth once it is cooled down and keep it aside for 8 to 10 hours and then you can have it. Okay, if it is summer, keep it only for 6 to 7 hours. Right, coming to the most important part, exercise. These mandatory. walk for 1 hour minimum a day. Okay, and increase your walking time slowly day by day. What does that mean? You can walk for 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, your wish. But initially, if you cannot walk for 1 hour, walk for 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Okay, week upon week you can increase 5 minutes till you achieve 1 hour. That is minimum. Right. Coming to the foods to avoid, you have to avoid all milk and dairy products, rice and wheat products, refined oils, sugar and jaggery also you have to avoid. Okay, as the alternatives for sugar and jaggery, you can have palm jaggery, dates, and 100% pure honey. Okay, even in the decoctions, if you cannot take them as it is, you can add palm jaggery in them. Okay, okay. Wheat powder, refined wheat powder you have to avoid. You have to avoid tea, coffee, all bakery products, polished millets, all refined millets you have to avoid. You have to take only whole millets, whole grains. Non-vegetarian food, cool drinks, pizzas, burgers, pastas, noodles, all canned foods, all ready-made foods, and all ready-to-eat foods you have to avoid. Now you are going to look at how to make decoction. Okay. Hi guys. Today we are going to look at fenugreek decoction. Okay. Take 10 to 25 grams of fenugreeks. Okay, like this, and you have to grind it. Okay, I will show you after the grinding. Okay, before making decoction you should just grind it. All right, you need not to break it into small, very small pieces. This much is sufficient. Okay, you just need to grind it using a hammer or any other thing. Okay, uh, then you have to use this one to make decoction. I took roughly 250 to 280 ml of water. Okay, now you need to close the lid, and then you have to switch on the stove. Okay, put it on a low flame. Let's the water boil first. Okay, see here, water bubbles are formed, right? Now you can add the fenugreek seeds. Okay, all right. Now you have to close the lid and keep it for 3 to 4 minutes on a low flame. Okay, it just got boiled up. Okay, we have to keep it for keep the lid closed for at least 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, we are keeping it aside for 3 to 4 minutes, and then you can have this decoction. Okay, right. Okay, roughly we waited for around 4 minutes. Okay, let's now filter it using a strainer. Okay, steel strainer. Okay, let's just filter it. And this decoction is very helpful for all digestive related problems. Okay, even for gastric and piles, especially when you are bleeding, not just at one part of the body, wherever you are bleeding, this decoction is very helpful. Okay, so that's it. Now you can have this decoction when it is lukewarm, otherwise you can cool it and then also you can drink it. Okay, no problem. Right. Are you tired of dental problems? Then listen to this. Stop brushing your teeth using plastic brush and chemical paste. Use nature's gifted neem stick for brushing your teeth and stay healthy.